Hello there and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about my half-day long trip to Kanching Waterfalls. It is less than an hour's drive from KL. There is a parking lot at the entrance and a stall with macaw and python for paid photography. Kanching is considered to be a 7-tiered waterfall. It starts with concrete steps to facilitate smooth climbing for one and all, at least up to the 4th level, where you'll find people playing in the pools or setting up barbecue for lunch. However, for me, hiking is a way to connect with nature, so I marched along the muddy trail leading behind the concrete steps, enjoying the cascading rapids.
Be careful! सेल्फी पानी This should drive quite fast.
तो फेसबुक लाइव ऑन करता हूँ तो
After level 5, we got off track in search of level 7, apparently misled by a trail of paper breadcrumbs that only led us away and away from the sounds of the falling water and deeper into the jungle for up to 2 hours, only to return on the same path back to level 5. As interesting as the hike was, so was the lesson. Do not follow the crowd blindly. Believe in your own instincts, in this case, the fading sound of the cascading falls. Turns out, level 6 was a short uphill turn right after level 5 and level 7 followed. However, we decided to stop at level 6 to munch on some peanut butter sandwiches and mango yogurt. We lingered on, enjoying the cool fresh water, lush green surroundings,